Ladies and gentlemen, Kim here. Welcome to the daily update. Hope you guys had a good day trading. Today, market is up slightly, 0.17% on the S&P. Nasdaq is red today slightly. Their semiconductor continues to get hit, 1.5% negative. Dow up a little bit. Russell 2000 transport down today. Banks flat. Same with the energy. There, biotech down about 0.5% today. Healthcare's up, along with the home builders and utilities. Retail pretty much flat there. Emerging market down 1%. Bitcoin is down 2%. Gold and miners down. Silver got hit pretty hard today. 4% negative on silver today. Gold, silver miners, they've been really struggling for a while here. Pretty much this entire year. Dollar up a little bit, 0.72%. Oil flat. Same with the treasury bond. VIX down a little bit, 3% there. Let's stick with S&P 500 ETF. Spider, 65 minutes or so. I covered a lot of stuff on the last night's update. So kind of reference that. I'm going to make this bit quicker because we haven't seen a whole lot of move today. I mean, this was yesterday's price action. We initially gapped up here. It looks like slightly, right? Quickly got filled, and we just been struggling all day long. It looks like on the 5th hour, buyers attempted to make a move, but on the last hour, we pretty much erased that. So pretty much all day long, we consolidated, moved sideways. Last couple days, price action tell us that there's an indecision right now. Overall, obviously, in the short-term trend is down with my short-term moving average coming down here. My mid-term moving average still trajectory-wise, still kind of elevated, right? While the price is beneath that. So that's why I'm still kind of neutral / bearish a little bit in the midterm until these two gaps filled. Obviously, midterm sentiment will change if this gap gets filled, and the short-term sentiment will change when this gap gets filled. As long as these two gaps continues to be open like that, midterm slightly neutral to bearish, a short-term bearish. So another thing we talked about in the last night's update is that this is the vicinity of potentially higher low for the buyers. But again, that's not going to happen until both of these gaps gets filled. Not just this one, but this one right there. So again, buyers need to get up here, fill this gap at 440, right? My midterm moving average in that vicinity. My short-term moving average now residing at 439 here, right? Kind of guarding this level. This entire level will act as resistance, right? Obviously, what the bears need to do, bears need to continue to put pressure on the buyers with these lower highs and lower lows. Keep in mind, we do have a lower highs going, but we do not have a lower low, not the fresh lower low. We got the low, lower low, and lower low, right? With that, we have the short-term downtrend going on. And pretty much this entire month of September, it's been a very, very hectic month for the buyers, right? Finally made some move, but came right back down. So with that, we don't have lower low yet. So bears need to continue in that perspective, continue to trend in that manner so that they can continue to put pressure on buyers and then continue, cultivate and establish that downtrend that we've been in this short term of this market's fluctuation that we've been in here. Short to midterm, really going all the way to the early September, as you can see right there. So let's check out that oscillator and see. Currently 433 is a level to break for the bears. My long-term moving average currently trading at 431, and then 429 is that pivotal low there where we saw that rally. Check out that oscillator here. Oscillator recently, crossed right here, but doesn't look too confident, does it? You can see that we initially crossed up. However, with that last hour downturn, pretty much a lethargic move all throughout the day today, oscillator is not looking too confident, just pretty much came right back down. But we did initially crossed up there with the little gap up that we've seen today. So not a whole lot has changed with today's move. Whatever I talked about on the last night's update, it still implies. And so let's see how the market plays out tomorrow and the next couple of days and early next week. We might get a better idea where the market is headed and how this market plays out next week or so, maybe next couple weeks, it's gonna set the tone for the month of October. I'll come back for you tomorrow. We'll reassess the situation. Enjoy your evening and good luck trading tomorrow.